Take a deep breath, sweetheart. Everything feels bigger before it gets better. You're not behind. You're just blooming at your own pace. It's okay to rest. Even the strongest need soft places to fall. You've made it through every hard day so far, and I'm so proud of you. There's no rush. You're allowed to grow slowly and gently. Even when you feel like you're falling apart, you're still held together by love. Mistakes don't define you. They teach you. You're doing better than you think, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. Your worth isn't in how much you do. It's in who you are. Crying doesn't mean you're weak. It means your heart is still soft. You are not alone, even when the room feels quiet. Keep going, love. Even the smallest steps still move you forward. You are loved, more than you'll ever fully realize. Let today be gentle. There's no need to be everything all at once. You don't need to fix yourself. You just need time, love, and patience.